Trying to figure out how to install this suction mount cup, and this actually just fell off of the car. Thank God I had actually set it up sideways. In this video, I'm going to go over my experience with the 5 suction cup mount that I purchased from Amazon, and I will show you the shots that I took. I have been wanting to have a car mount of some sort for my vehicles when I do shots when I'm driving the car, or like the side shots, instead of having to put the camera on a tripod driving past and then coming back and picking it up. And I know a lot of folks do that and it works for them, but I'm just too lazy. I just didn't want to do that. So I looked into these suction cups or suction cup mounts. You know, Insta sells them, and there's so many other brands. So I went on to Amazon. I bought a few of them. One of the ones that I just recently tested, and $55 5 suction cup mount kit. It comes in this box. It comes with an invisible selfie stick, and this goes up 119 centimeters. And then these suction cups, so you can see these clamps that just kind of, you know, you can, and they've got the padding so it's not to hurt the camera. And then it's pretty versatile in the sense that, you know, you can move it around. It moves all around, so that's a good thing. You need that flexibility when you're mounting them on cars. And then you've got this, you know, 3 suction cup right here. Again, same deal here, where it kind of mounts, and then they've given you the thread to mount on the Insta. So that's pretty good. The 3 suction cup mount doesn't really sit well on certain type of glasses. It did well on the Tesla, but it did not do that well on the Rivian, and it actually fell off of the Rivian. Lucky for me, the camera was set sideways, so it didn't scratch the lenses. The next content that I will be coming up with will have these views. I've also ordered DJI Neo 2 drone, and we will be using that to incorporate some of the footage. If anyone of you has experienced this, or if there is a better brand or maybe a better quality product other than this that I could you know, look into to see if I can get those videos.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me f***ed up. Let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll bleed on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad.
Thank you, and see you in the next one.